Hey, welcome! Things are changing fast. Work, money, everything. Let's figure it out together. Did you know the 40-hour work week is becoming a relic of the past? In 2026, we are witnessing the great decoupling, where income is finally being separated from time. While most people are terrified that AI will take their jobs, yet a small group of invisible entrepreneurs is using it to buy back their freedom. They don't have offices, they don't have employees, and you'll never see their faces on camera. Huh? No. Today, I'm sharing the exact blueprint they're using to build high-income systems that run 24/7. This is the invisible AI business. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying to become an AI operator. They spend months trying to learn coding or complex prompting. But in the 2026 economy, the money isn't in doing the technical work, it's in orchestrating the result. Businesses in the US, the UK, and globally don't care what tool you use. They care about three things: more revenue, less cost, and more time. My freedom blueprint rests on three pillars. First, AI arbitrage. This is finding a high-value problem like customer support for a boutique agency and solving it with an AI agent like your Atlas or Chatbase. You charge $1,000, the AI costs you $50. Second, the content architect. Brands are starving for video, using models like Veo or Kling. So how do you start? Step 1. Stop being a generalist. Pick one niche like real estate in London or e-commerce in the US. Step 2. Identify their biggest time waster. Step 3. Deploy an AI solution that fixes it. Step 4. Productize it. Turn that one solution into a recurring subscription. This is how you stop chasing gigs and start building an asset that doesn't need you to be present to generate wealth. Click the follow, as you might not see this page again.